Alright, today is May 2nd, 2017, and right now at 9 a.m. in the foothills of Los Angeles, we have a temperature of 74 degrees. The relative humidity is 28%, dew point is 40 degrees, and we have a barometer reading of 29.94 inches. Alright, so we're watching the northeast Pacific water vapor loop. You can see a upper level low spinning right west of Hawaii right here. It looks like it's winding some weather, some rain into the islands. We can see that. Also, we have a developing storm right up here. This is I believe, a 997 millibar system. We'll check that. That is a developing storm. It's indicated to be. We've got a frontal system that's having to ride over an area of high pressure that's been installed here now for a few days. There is an area of low pressure at the 300 millibar level right here. We can see that there was some sort of rotation trying to develop, but things are moving clockwise. We'll take a look at this on the pressure maps. We've got low pressure at the 300 millibar level, but there's high pressure at the 500 millibar level, and also at the surface level, and that is pushing all this jet stream flow up and over. And we can see right over here in California. Let's go to the next map. This is the western U.S. water vapor map. We can see that up in Northern California and in Central California, we have some moisture moving down through the state. And of course, there's no rain in the forecast today. And so that means that they are, the jets, the weather controllers, probably are going to be spraying in the central and northern part of the state. And as this moves down, we could see the jets up spraying in Southern California today. Now we've had this will be the third day. It's a very nice day today. There's no clouds or any aerosols in the sky that I can see so far today. And but with what's happening here, we could see some jets up spraying the chemtrails today to maintain the low relative humidity conditions that will prevent the rain. So we've got high pressure. That's part one of the no rain plan. And then we have the jets that spray the desiccants over the tops of these moisture fields that are moving into the state. Now there is a rain forecast for Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Actually, we should be getting rain from this. It should move right in. That should move right into our area, but that is being prevented by this area of installed high pressure. There are satellite transmitters that generate high pressure. And we see once again here, this is the technique that was used in over the last 6 years, starting in about 2010. And this technique of installing a blocking high pressure zone right here is what rerouted the jet stream and all that moisture up into the northwest. And so this is why California had a drought for the last 6 years, because of what these people are capable of doing right here. That is putting high pressure, which redirects the jet stream and all that moisture. So this is a rerun, and we do see the moisture diving down, and of course that may indicate chemtrail spraying later today. We'll have to keep a close eye on this. We can see the moisture field diving down. This is the water vapor map. We can see that pattern right here moving down into Southern California. So I would say by noontime, we should be seeing a lot of chemtrail spraying. The people living out in the desert areas are probably already seeing it. And we can see the pattern here. All right. Let's take a look at some of these other maps. We have the surface analysis map. And we see the high pressure depicted here. This is the area of high pressure that's redirecting this 979 millibar storm system. So this is actually a more powerful storm. I thought it was about a 997. This is 979. So this is a big, powerful system. This is generating about 20-foot seas out in the North Pacific right now. And this is indicated to be moving to the north, generally in a northerly direction. That is because of all this blocking high pressure. This area of high pressure extends all the way up into Canada. So they are preventing this system from moving into the Canada, and the United States. You can see that. All right, so we've got a trough of low pressure right here over Central California, and over Nevada we can see a low right here. And so we'll keep an eye on things. There is a rain forecast, as I say, for next weekend. But this here should be the rainmaker here in the next couple of days. This would really make a big difference. The soil is really dried out once again from no rain. We didn't have any rain really in April to speak of. Maybe about a total of 1/8, I believe. So we do have an upper level low here. Let's go look at some of these pressure maps. Here's the jet stream first of all. And we can see the effect the high pressure that's been installed here is having. It's pushed all that moisture north. So this storm front, which should be moving right into our area, is going to be forced up and over into Washington, down through Nevada and Utah. Okay, now here's the surface pressure map. We can see the high pressure all through here. There is low pressure indicated right along the Baja California Peninsula and part of Mexico and into Southern California and part of Arizona. And then we have the 500 millibar map. We've got high pressure at the 500 millibar level right here. And we've got this big storm, 979 millibar, closed low, moving, it's being forced to the north. And then we have the 300 millibar level. So we've got high pressure indicated throughout this area. And we've got a low right here, low pressure. We've got some squiggly lines right in this area. So there is some pressure manipulation going on, some transmitter manipulation. We'll keep an eye on all this and keep an eye out for those chemtrails. Since there is no rain forecast, it's almost a slam dunk that we'll get, we'll see the chemtrail jets out spraying to prevent that rain, which is not forecasted until this coming weekend. And of course, this is the telltale sign right here. We see the water vapor diving down. We've got low pressure. And so we'll keep an eye on everything, and we'll do another update later. That's it.